A review and really an in-depth look at Linktrackr. So if you're thinking of using Linktrackr, you know you want tracking for your business, but you don't quite understand how it all works or if Linktrackr is the tool for you, stay tuned. So remember, while you're here, please click the subscribe bell. I'm going to be doing lots of reviews in this channel, but more than that, so click that subscribe if you're going to be the first to get access. Second thing is there's a link down below to two things. One is directly to Linktrackr if you're ready to sign up, and the second one is actually a blog post. It outlines a lot of what we talked about in this video, but if you're one of those kind of people that likes to read instead of watch a video and kind of sit down and really analyze, go through the words, go ahead and click that. And you can read the whole blog post and get a guide to an idea of what Linktrackr is as well. In that post, I really dive deep on Linktrackr, on the software, okay? So make sure you click that link, check out the blog post. So the first thing I want you to know about Linktrackr is that it's an incredibly powerful software. I didn't start using it until very recently, and I actually signed up and was like, wow, I got to make a review because it's so powerful, but combined with that power is it's pretty complicated. Like there's so many things that you can do, and because of that, a lot of times it's hard to figure out how to actually do those things, which is the way with a lot of like really powerful softwares, right? So we're gonna try to show you all this stuff, but it's probably gonna be kind of confusing, and honestly, one of the best ways is just to dive in and start tinkering with it. So clicking that link and just kind of getting an account and start playing with it, and you'll learn so much more. But let's look at some of the things that it can do for your business, okay? So the first thing you know, what Linktrackr is it's basically a way for you to get as much tracking as possible solely through links, okay? So if you're an affiliate marketer or solo ads provider or really online marketing in general, and you're gonna want as much data as you possibly can get when someone clicks the link, okay? So you want to know who they are, where they came from, like what link they clicked. You want to know which of your links are bringing in more conversions and which of your links are actually having people sign up more. Is it YouTube or Facebook links? You want to basically see a lot more than just like, hey, this link was clicked 50 times. I want to know like who clicked it, where did they come from? Is it just YouTube? Is it just Facebook? Which is converting better? Okay, I want to know things like that. Which link is providing me with the best conversions, right? So where Linktrackr comes in is it gives you access to this, all kinds of really cool data. It can do things like split testing, for example. So meaning that you can take a link and say, hey, you know, half the time I want this when someone clicks this link. I want to send them to specifically this page, and the other half of people I want it to send to this page. And there's a lot of perks to that. So if you're into marketing, you know what? You can do things like create 2 landing pages and see which one converts better and do all kinds of things like that. You can have also link rotators, which I'm not going to talk about at all really about this because it's only solo ad providers that tend to use link rotators. And if you're a solo ad provider, you probably already can use Linktrackr. You know how to use it if we're not going to go into detail about that. Another cool thing about Linktrackr is it has really cool funnel and pixeling capabilities, okay? So what that means is that you could take a sales funnel on, you know, multiple pages, and you can put Linktrackr links and stuff inside of each page of your sales funnel, and then Linktrackr can track what people are doing inside of your sales funnel, okay? That has a lot of great benefits to your business. The data can say, hey, when you send someone from YouTube, about half of them sign up for your free offer, but only 1% sign up for your next offer. Versus, you know, Facebook, when you send someone from Facebook, it looks like about 70% of those guys tend to click and sign up for your offer and go through. And then you're like, okay, I'm looking at the data. I see I got to focus on Facebook more than I have to focus on YouTube. That 70% is a lot better than that 1% that I'm getting from YouTube. So you see that YouTube is definitely not the source of where your best traffic is going to come from. Okay, so a quick overview, Linktrackr allows you to create links and then put those links on your actual domain. And then when people click those links, you can send them to all kinds of places, okay? You can track everything that those people are doing and therefore have the data you need to make smart business decisions. So that's what it does. So a pro of Linktrackr is it has the capability to do anything. When you get into like the advanced settings of all the things you can just do, it's crazy. You can include and exclude different countries, okay? So if you don't want people from a specific country to click the link, or if you want people to click the link from a specific country, you can go to inside the settings and you can modify those settings to anything that you want. So if you want people that are mobile to go to one area and or iOS specific to go to another, you can see there's just no end to what you can set up inside of Linktrackr. And that's the pro of Linktrackr. The price also starts at like $17 a month or something crazy cheap like that. It's way cheaper than a lot of competing software. It's a really, really good deal, and that's another pro of Linktrackr. Linktrackr also has videos, tutorials, and news to help new users get well acclimated with the system. I mean, looking here, they have all kinds of different videos on how to use Linktrackr specifically. Also on Linktrackr, they have all kinds of videos and tutorials and news to get users well acclimated with the Linktrackr system. All kinds of videos here, guys, to help you out. Linktrackr overviews and walkthroughs, how to configure and use projects using custom domains, super important. They show you everything, and it's all on the Linktrackr system. They have an excellent support, excellent tutorials to help you guys get well acclimated with the system. Linktrackr is very, very user friendly, okay? And if you want some kind of written breakdown, again, you can click the link below to the blog post. It breaks down Linktrackr and everything that you want to know about Linktrackr. So make sure you click that link. I hope you subscribed. I know this review might have been all over the place. That's because Linktrackr, it's crazy cool. It's crazy. It's got all kinds of cool things that you need to check out. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. All right, thank you.